Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to take you through my wash day from start to finish featuring the Alikay Naturals line. I'm really excited to use this, but I also have something new I'm adding to this wash day. So let's get started with this matted dry bun that's been in my hair for God knows how long. So stay tuned and let me show you how I transform from this dry mess to something nice. So before I get started, I like to fully saturate my hair with water, especially if it's been like in a ponytail or it's been a while since I've had a wash day and my hair is kind of dry. I really like to get it fully saturated before I put any product in. So I just go around the whole perimeter of my head and just let the water run down and kind of absorb in my scalp and absorb in my hair strands, and then I begin. This is the only time you'll ever see me detangling without product in my hair is under running water. So as the water is running down my hair, I'm doing like a really light detangle, just running my fingers through my hair, trying to loosen up some of the tangles and knots that I got going on. So let's jump into this first product. It is a moisturizing black soap shampoo. It is a sulfate-free product, which I really love, and its featured ingredients include cocoa seed powder, plantain skins, and tea tree oil. One thing that I really like about this product is that it gets your hair and scalp really clean without stripping it of its natural oils. If you have dry hair like me, stripping your hair from its natural oils with certain type of like products and shampoos just leaves your hair really dry, really brittle, more prone to breakage, and it's just not a good time. So this shampoo definitely got an A+ in my book because it got me really clean, like I said, but it still left me super moisturized. One thing that I found really interesting about this shampoo was its consistency. It was very liquidy, and this is something I'm not used to in shampoos, but it got the job done. Another thing that I found interesting about this product is it did not give me a big lather, and I know some people determine like cleanliness with how big of a lather they get with the shampoo, but this did not have the lather, but it definitely got my hair clean. For this next part of my wash day, I have already sectioned off my hair into 5 sections. I just like working in smaller chunks of my hair versus attacking the whole head. It just makes it a lot easier for me. Here is where my wash day is kind of taking a twist. I have added rice water to my regimen. I have jumped on the rice water bandwagon and I'm testing it out to see how it works. So here I have my rice water in my spray bottle. It has been fermenting for a couple days now. I added orange peels to it because I heard the smell was awful. So mine didn't smell that bad, so that's a plus. As you see, I'm just taking my spray bottle and saturating my hair. I'm spraying all over from the roots to the tips, making sure I get this rice water coating my hair completely. A lot of things that I've heard about the rice water: it makes your hair dry, it makes your hair hard. I did not experience any of that. I was able to finger detangle my hair. I was able to run my fingers through my hair. So that is one thing that I was pretty happy about. I was really hesitant and kind of scared to try it, but so far so good. Also, a big shout out to Jaazz. I'm going to link her information in the description box below. She is what got me on this challenge, y'all. Check her out. Up next, we have the deep conditioner. Now, I took this tip from Jaazz and I'm applying this deep conditioner on top of my rice water. I'm going to let them both kind of work together and sit on my head at once and just do their thing. So the deep conditioner that I am using is the honey and sage. Its featured ingredients include honey, babassu oil, and sage. Now listen, y'all, when I tell y'all this deep conditioner smells amazing, the slip is amazing, like everything 10 out of 10. I loved everything about this deep conditioner, and it quickly has become one of my favorites. Here I'm just detangling with my Denman brush while the deep conditioner is in my hair along with the rice water, and then I'm just going to throw my hair in twist while I continue through the rest of my head. Okay, so I have finished 4 out of the 5 sections of my hair, and now I'm going to work in this front section. I'm going to do the same routine. I'm going to spray my hair with the rice water, detangle, apply the deep conditioner, detangle a little bit more, and then twist my hair. I want to talk a little bit about what the benefits of rice water are. Rice water contains amino acids, vitamins B, C, and E, and it basically promotes healthy hair growth. Now, one thing that caught my eye that I've seen across the YouTube world is that it helps reduce shedding, and I shed a lot of hair. So that's one thing that got me interested and got me on the rice water challenge. So I had to slow it down. Do y'all see that slip? The way my hair is gliding through that brush? So this is my hair completely rinsed of the rice water and deep conditioner mix. I will say first off, my hair is really soft, y'all. Like, I mean, my hair feels like butter. I'm able to run my fingers through my hair with no type of problem. My hair is very manageable. It feels really moisturized, and I mean, I just cannot believe how soft my hair is. I have really thick, coarse, super dry hair sometimes, and I can't believe it. Here I'm just doing kind of an impromptu length check because I'm really going to see how this goes within the next month or so and see if this rice water is really doing any type of change to my hair. To start off, I have my hair in my 5 sections again, and from there I'm just going to split off smaller portions and work within that section. I'm first going to apply this leave-in, and we're using the lemongrass leave-in conditioner. Now the key ingredients for this product is silk amino protein, aloe vera, and lemongrass oil. This leave-in is kind of different. It sprays off like a salad, but really quickly emulsifies into a liquid. It's light, but it gives a lot of good hold and a lot of good shine and definition. Now up next, I am detangling. The key to any natural style, in my opinion, is making sure that your hair is fully detangled and that the product is distributed evenly across your hair strands. The star player in this lineup is the Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. The featured ingredients for this product is raw shea butter, argan oil, and coconut oil. This moisturizer is really thick and really creamy, and that's something that I really like when I'm doing twist outs or braid outs. Is something thick that's going to give me nice hold. It smells really good, you guys. I'm all about smells sometimes. I love for my hair to smell good, so this is an ultimate plus. Here I'm just coating my strands from the root to the tip and just making sure I got that product all over my hair, and then I'm going to start my braid. Again, I'm coming through with the dimming brush, just making sure that my hair is nice and detangled and the product is distributed on my hair properly. And then I'm going to start my braid. This is just a simple braid, nothing fancy, just braiding my hair, making sure that the braid is nice and tight. And I'm braiding it all the way down to the ends. Once I get to the ends, I do a nice little twisting trick to kind of seal it and keep everything in place. And this is what I'm going to do throughout the rest of my head. It's the same routine. I'm applying my leave-in, detangling a little bit, coming through again with that good, nice, thick, creamy moisturizer, and braiding my hair. This little curl twist and trick that I do. It's basically like a finger coil that I do once I get to the ends of my hair, and it just keeps everything in place and keeps my braids from unraveling. As you can see, I'm just working through these sections. I like to get at least 3 to 5 braids into each section. It all depends on what kind of style I'm going for. I'm going to have these braids in for about a week or two as my protective style. So 3 braids are okay with me. If I was wearing my hair out in a braid out, I would try to shoot for more of the 5 braids in each section. The smaller the braids, the more definition I get and the longer I can wear my hair out. But again, I said I'm going to be wearing these braids in for about a week or two. So 3 to 4 is okay. It's going to keep my hair nice and moisturized, keep my hair basically detangled. It's really cold. The wintertime is harsh on my hair. It's so drying. So this is going to be my protective style, and this is just going to ensure that my hair is nicely moisturized and tucked away. So this is what my hair looks like once I'm done working through that section. Now I'm just going to go through and work through the rest of my head, doing that same routine until I am finished with all of the sections and they are all full of braids. As you can see, my hair is pretty much done at this point. I'm just going to work through this last top section. Now it does look like this product is just sitting on my hair, but that's not the case. Once it dries, it will dry with no type of residue. I will say I was a little heavy-handed on this product, but that is only because my hair is going to be in these braids for a while. And I want to make sure that I have a little bit more than enough product to last me and to keep my hair moisturized throughout the days and weeks to come. So here I kind of had an aha moment, and I realized I've been looking at the wrong end of my phone the whole time while I was recording this. So sorry if I'm not making that direct eye contact. I wasn't even looking in the right spot. In the colder months, especially in the wintertime, I like to use thick, heavy products just because I suffer from dry hair. The winter just does me dirty. So I like nice, thick, creamy, moisturizing products to just keep the moisture and retain that moisture throughout my days. And we are done. That is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys learned something from it. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me some comments. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. We did it. First YouTube video up. I can't believe it. It's been a long time coming, and I'm so excited to share my content with you guys. Make sure you subscribe, and let's get it.